Hello everybody! Didn't you send a lot of depressing makeup before? Some people think it's a bit heavy-handed. More picky. Is it inappropriate? This makeup is perfect today. Direct shift. The whole thing is kind of depressing. Combined with low saturation colors. Clear and photogenic at the same time. Let's moisturize normally first. Apply lotion once. I also chose the foundation. Pink white color. Do you use chalk or a bag cabinet? How reveal is it? Did I say more? Let's go straight to the beauty bar. It has a liquid at one end. And then there's a paste on the other end. It is very convenient for us to separate the whole face. This end of the paste is for the nose. Just use it as a handwriting. You can draw lines quickly and accurately. Some people say it's a little cuter here. And chin. And chin. What about this topic? We'll say yes. Why are you so unrecognizable? I find this color really clean. No redness at all. This nose has a kind of pull point, and it's exquisite. You see, I haven't really repaired much either. This nose has no outline and looks like a three-dimensional root. Like. Then we apply it with grooming solution. Let's fix the silhouette. Its area is larger. I'll take it down here now. I take a picture. I feel like this outer carving is still stretching out in vision. 10,000. You see the jaw is now very clear. And it's soft. The side can be broadcast like a falling gill tiger. Take a look, there's a kind of natural small V. The face is so tight. I like it very much. Now the full face facelift is not bad. The face is not so swollen now. Then we'll put it on again and then make up for it. It's still this piece. Noodles, finally, I want to try this purple one. Take a look at the full face facelift wrist is not bad. The face is not so swollen now. Then the upper and lower blush is still this one. Or use a brush. Sweep in front of you. Take away our grooming part a little bit. The whole method is also relatively light. Yes, I want to try on this purple one. Pink. After taking the powder, twist it on your hands, and then apply it to your face. I said it was a good cow today. That's going to echo. No limit, peanuts alone. There is another pink-brown eyebrow dye cream. The eye makeup part still needs to be primed with white. I think this is actually quite important. If you put on this gray-pink one again, I feel like I'm really suitable for gray powder. In case you brush my girlfriend, bring in Douyin's brush. Even dead. Because it's more wild. And the double eyelid belt. And the same thing happens at the end of the eye. I also passed the direction and gave him a light hit. This technique is the very, very light kind. You won't directly fight 10 times for the next word. Use this first. Give us lower eye color normally. The brush stands up like this. Brush. Be sure to ask others to draw the inside line immediately. This inner eyeliner position, it's actually in the gap between the eyelashes. Need your heart to stop it. Anyway, don't draw it on the eyelids. You can use this dark color again. Press on this inner eyeliner. Fish meal to cover your eyes. Treat the water a little bit. Fish meal on the brush. Swing Aegyo saliva. Matte white to brighten the Aegyo saliva legs. Make a base. After pasting the eyelashes, let's see if the effect is okay, right? But I'm a little confused. Because I have so many new eyelashes on my hands, I want to try them. Or use this dark yin color first. When dating, let's apply the end of the eyes a little bit above. Stop, spit it out. Replenish the black liquid above and here. Trace it. We choose this face. Introduce one to him for use and take a look. Okay, I'll use this cold pink to brighten it up. Brush the lower eyelashes a little bit. Nod and show him here. And here's the highlight. Highlights we slide down. I want to try on this mole. I'm very obedient to this matte color to brighten up. What you like is to adjust it for him accurately. Add some pearlescent to the back. Increase the clarity on the face. Take this out. Click here on the scarf a little bit. Definitely by a little bit on the nose. Blur this lip shape. Use this color to make a dot for the mouth mask first. Click on a water-sensitive lip glaze. Top to the screen and spray your lower lip.